This is so cute. Hi everyone, this is Felicia here with Homebody, back with a DIY. Now you guys know I'm really not a DIYer, but every once in a while I'll try to throw in a DIY, but it will be very simple. So what I'm going to do is try to glam up this pumpkin here. I purchased this pumpkin last year from Target Dollar Spot, and I just want it to be shiny and glitzy. So what I have is my glitter that I purchased last year from Hobby Lobby, as well as my Mod Podge glue that I purchased last year from Hobby Lobby as well. So I'm actually seeing if the glue is still good because I've had it for over a year. So I also have a paintbrush that I found laying around my home. I wasn't going to go out and purchase one, so I'm going to just be using this one. Then I have some mirror pieces that I had from last year that came from Amazon. I'll leave the link below for these mirror pieces. I'm probably going to try to make a mirrored pumpkin, but I'm going to put the glitter on it to have the glitter showing in the sections that I do not have the mirror pieces. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add my Mod Podge to my plate here. Okay everyone, so what I'm going to do is take my glue and glitter and mix it. When I actually could have skipped that step, I could have just applied the glue to the pumpkin and then put the glitter on top of the glue. But so once I get all the glitter and glue on my pumpkin, then I'm going to go ahead and let that dry for a bit and then apply the mirror pieces to the top of the glittered pumpkin. And from there, I'm going to apply some glitter to the stem, which I lost that footage and I do apologize for that. And then after that, the process is going to be complete and I'll show you guys the end product. And I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will not miss any of my videos. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. this is how my DIY Glam Pumpkin turned out. I ended up losing my footage from when I added the glitter to the stem of the pumpkin, but I think this came out super cute and I'm loving it.